Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We create a solution POI program that can handle variants of our initial program. We added the ability to handle more than and less than operators. Today I will show you how to modify solution POI to be able to handle also equality, so equal sign here, less than or equal, and more than or equal problems. So to do that, I will just add 3 additional if statements. So if equal in formula sign, it's equal, if larger than or equal in formula f sign, it's equal, larger than and equal, and if less than and equal in formula sign, it's equal, less than and equal. Well, that should be it. So let's say if our formula has larger than, it will be set here, and all the other ifs will be false. If it has larger than and equal, we'll have the f sign set up to this, because equal will be in our formula, but then it will be corrected later here. So we should be good. So let's create a test problem. So I will say this one, the building was less than or equal to 254 feet. I will save it as problem4.txt, and then in the analysis I will have here problem4, and here I will have the formula b plus f times x is smaller than or equal to t. I will save it as analysis 004.json. Okay, so everything should be set up. Let's test it. So our initial problem, we have to make sure that the previous problems are being also solved correctly. Okay, this one was x larger than 9 feet. That's correct. The second one, it was larger than 18 feet. That's correct. Then the third problem is the less than 9 feet. Okay, and now we have the less than and equal. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so now we modified our code to handle all these 5 types of equality or inequalities. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.